Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, this is the second time I'm walking to my car. I walked all the way from my hotel room, which is like way up here, got down to my car, then realized I forgot my SD card in my computer like a jackass. So now we are, we're starting the daily dash. So welcome back to another video, guys. Not really sure what we're doing today, but I need to charge my phone, and the only charger I have is in my car. Alright, and we're back, and it is super duper hot. So, today, we're gonna be doing some tips and stuff. We're gonna talk about a little bit of fitness stuff. First of all, who wants to do a weight cut challenge with me? I stepped on the scale today, I weighed 182 pounds. For those of you who don't know, I'm 5'9"-ish, maybe 5'9.5", weighing around 182 pounds. It's a little bit heavier than I would like to be. I think I've been splurging on the free food at the casino a little bit too much, so we're gonna lose 10 pounds. If you guys want to join, send me a picture of you guys on the scale on the Instagram DMs, and I'm gonna keep you guys accountable. So if you guys want to do a quick, like, let's lose 10 pounds in a week challenge or something like that. Anyways, so just try to keep everyone accountable, try to keep everyone positive, and kind of create like a little community challenge for everyone. So if you're interested, let me know in the Instagram DMs. I'm gonna keep everyone accountable. Or you could just comment down below how much you guys weigh now and let me know as we go along. Anyways, just gave myself a fresh haircut. I have saved so much money this year on haircuts because once the quarantine kicked, like, I've always cut my own hair, but it was like every other time I would cut my own hair, and now I'm getting damn good at it. Anyways, so just got to the car. I only had 1% battery, so I didn't log into Doordash yet, so I'm gonna log in right now, and I also have to call DHL because the skate shoes are in the country. They're now in Ohio. It took them forever to get out of the customs in Hong Kong for some reason. Anyway, so I'm waiting on the skate shoe samples to come in right now, and I'm gonna try to see if I can call them right now and say, can you guys next day air it to me from Cincinnati, which is where it is right now, because I need them for this tramp wall contest that I'm going to on Monday. It would be so cool to have them. Anyways, be right back. I'll log into DoorDash, and I'm going to call DHL. Alright, and we are back. It's been about 15 minutes that I've been chilling on the phone with DHL, trying to get them to expedite the shoes. I don't know if it's going to happen. So today I'm actually talk about how much I'm making with 10,000 followers on YouTube. And it's not to come off as cocky, it's hopefully to inspire people, because when I'm like transparent and I go over like how much money I'm making and how much money you could possibly make as like passive income on YouTube, I think that it's at least beneficial, and I know for a fact that a lot of people have seen those kind of videos and started at least their own YouTube channel. So I kind of have been putting this off because I wanted to okay, I'll just screen record and then I'll show you guys everything actually. So I'm gonna play this right, oh, screen recording not available when plugged into the car. Okay, so, all right. Starting off, we will go to the dashboard of my YouTube channel. We have 10,807 followers. Thank you guys, whoever have subscribed, and I cannot appreciate you guys enough. Like, I love you guys. Thank you for watching my channel and listening to me ramble. And man, I try to go through the comments and respond to everyone, but damn, these comments get savage sometimes. There's this chick called Spider Mom the other day, just like going in on, like, I was like, Jesus Christ. I'll actually, you know what, I'm gonna read some of these rude comments, because I think if you're commenting really rude stuff, you need to be put on blast. And it's like, man, your mama told you better than that. Anyways, okay, so when we go to the homepage, we got 19.6K hours watched, almost 20,000 hours watched every 28 days. So when I'm talking about how much money I make per month, we're going to be adding a few days on, because there is 31 days in July. So these statistics are for 28 days. So views is at 203,000. 203,000. Damn, that's a lot. Subscriber change, we are up 1.5K, which is crazy because we just got to 10,000 like a week and a half ago, and now we're already almost at 11,000. And the estimated revenue, now this one is why it's a little tricky. So we're gonna click on the estimated revenue. It says 25.92, but when you actually click on the revenue, YouTube hasn't paid me today yet. So YouTube pays you around 6 o'clock every day, and that's when you'll see. So when you look at the last one, that's why it goes down. So we're going to add about 4 days, and we're gonna average around, I'd say my average is probably around $90 a day. So if you take $90 a day, what's 90 times 4? 280? Who's smarter than me? Who did that math? 360. I'm an idiot, I know. Okay, so we're gonna add 360 onto 25.92, and that's gonna give me a grand total of 25.92 plus 360. Someone is watching this video like they already have the math done, and I'm sitting here 29.52. So we're just gonna say, just to make this sound better, we're gonna say we're making about $3,000 just on ad revenue on YouTube with 10,800 followers. And that's just because, so I'm gonna talk about why I make that much and how you guys, if you are aspiring YouTubers, or tips and tricks that you can use. Now, that's one of the things, tips and tricks. So when you actually go to, let's actually go look at my top earning videos real quick. Top earning video, 2021 Doordash cheat codes. That's paying $5.90 a month. That has been up as high as, we got Walmart orders coming in. 2 orders for $8.25. Screw off. Okay, anyways. That one video has been up as high as $1,100 in a month. I think maybe even higher. Then the truth about getting deactivated for par use, blah blah blah. You guys can see this, and it goes down and down, and I'm getting slammed with Walmart orders right now. But you guys can see because I'm screen recording. Anyways, so yeah, so you can kind of see what's going on and why I'm such a big fan of YouTube, because these videos are paying me like passive income. So I'm getting, some of these videos are super old. Let's see if we can find an old video. Let's see, this epic high dives off huge waterfalls video is paying me 10 bucks. And that video has, what, how many views does it have in total? Views, total views. It's barely 10,000 views almost. And that video is 3 years old, actually. You know, what's funny is I actually sold this video to Canada's Wonderland for 300 bucks yesterday. Anyway, so I just wanted to kind of go over the YouTube statistics so you guys can kind of see how YouTube works, and maybe you guys, if you're on the board about starting a YouTube channel or something. My whole thing is I want to add value to you guys, and I hopefully you guys can take inspiration and ideas from my channel and maybe go and try them yourselves. So yesterday I was just talking, I'm gonna end the screen recording. Okay, hopefully you guys appreciate the transparentness. I'm not trying to be cocky. I'm just trying to hopefully inspire you guys, because I know I got some other guys started. I believe I was the reason that Pedro started his channel, or one of the reasons. And there's a bunch of other new gig tubers who have started their channels because of like videos like this, where I talk to you guys about how much money I'm making, how possible it is. So if you guys look at my videos, you'll notice I'm tagging a lot of things like money tips, business, delivery, Grubhub, Uber Eats. I'm gonna write the title, and then at the end of it, I'm just SEO, like just doing key terms. So that way my videos are worth more, because as an advertiser on Google, I learned this because I advertise on Google with my footwear company. When you're advertising, you're picking keywords and like topics to advertise on. Money tips, business, those are really advertisable words, you know? So that's why my channel is probably gonna make a little bit more money than someone who is, that's what, like when you look at the CPM, my CPM's about, it averages $18 per 1,000 views. So, where am I going with this? But basically, if you're talking about those kind of things and you're tagging those kinds of things in your videos, you're gonna make more money than you would be if you were not tagging those kinds of things. So I would really love to see some other gig tubers do videos like this, maybe like Pedro or UDM or Doordash Dad or something, maybe do a video like this, because I would love to see other people's channels and how they're doing and that kind of stuff. Anyways, I'm just trying to hopefully inspire you guys to maybe start a YouTube channel, because the more of us, the better, in my opinion. Anyways, so, man, still getting slammed with the Walmart orders. I'm gonna try to drive out of here. Oh, nope, 2 orders for $11.25 for 8 miles. Man, DoorDash, you're giving me some crappy orders. Okay, so anyways, we're gonna go back to the YouTube studio, and I'm gonna call out some of these fuckers who leave me really rude comments. I would imagine that you don't want to be read on this, but I don't know, maybe they're like, oh hell yeah, I wrote a really crappy comment yesterday. Like, dude, people who are doing well aren't leaving nasty YouTube comments, in my opinion. I can't imagine leaving a freaking YouTube comment trying to like tear people apart. I probably deleted these comments actually. So many people love the every time I cough, and I say it's COVID. It's not COVID, I swear. For those of you who are wondering if I cough on purpose, no, I don't cough on purpose. I would never cough on purpose. Why would you ever want to cough on purpose? It's not COVID, I swear. No, I don't cough on purpose. When I was 22, back in 2012 or so, I think it was 2011 actually, I had a very bad face plant, and I was probably about 6 feet over a 10-foot ramp, so I missed the ramp basically that I was supposed to land on, and I broke all these bones right here. I shattered my orbital, and I had internal bleeding in my head, basically. Like, all this blood was basically, mind you, I did not know this at all. I just had a cut on my forehead, or on my eyebrow. I was like, yo, let's go to 7-Eleven, get some super glue, and super glue the shit shut. So, probably can't really tell, but I have a gnarly scar on my eyebrow. Anyway, so the reason I cough so much is because I broke my sinuses. All this blood basically, the only reason I didn't die probably was because the blood was dripping into my cheek, because I broke my sinuses, so all the blood was basically filling into my cheek, and that was probably an actual good thing. But I broke my sinuses and I didn't end up getting them fixed, so now I'm constantly getting like phlegm in my lungs because I broke my sinuses and I didn't get them fixed. Wish I would have, but oh well, it is what it is. I've always tried to like lower my phlegm, maybe tried like vegan diets and like other kinds of stuff. If you guys have any tips on lowering your phlegm in your like lungs and stuff, let me know in the comments down below. But I've tried just about everything. But yeah, so many people are mad at me for like, it's not like I agree with Bentley. I'm just sympathizing with like the things that he has said, and like I don't agree with him on a lot of the things that he says, and we discussed that in the interview, but I'm not gonna like continue drama. And like I don't see, like there's certain channels out there that I just totally don't agree with, like Pay to Drive. I'll be honest, I don't think I will ever get on board with that guy, and he wouldn't do an interview with me. Pedro tried to set it up, but he didn't want to do it. I don't know why he wouldn't want to do it, but anyways, Pay to Drive, you should do an interview with me. I don't know, I strongly disagree with just about everything that guy says and does, and I think it's just adding drama to like the driver world, and everything he says is like, I don't know, I just don't like just about almost everything that guy puts out, but I don't really watch his channel anymore. So far, choose the YouTuber. Anyways, okay, let's go drive somewhere else and get a dash, because this video is just gonna be me sitting in the car waiting for an order to come in if it doesn't happen. Today was a day that we were trying to make a lot of money on DoorDash. We are epically failing. So I actually just drove over to a different area because all I was getting was Walmart orders, and by the time I got to the area, they don't need any more dashers. So now I'm driving to another area, which I was at least smart enough to schedule the dash, which I can basically log in as soon as I drive across this street coming up. But so far we've been dashing for about 30 minutes and haven't made any money yet. I mean, I could have taken one of those really crappy Walmart orders, but I didn't. So it is what it is. We're not making good money today. Not at all. But this is what happens. This is why you gotta have multiple streams of income, because you cannot just rely on one. Like today is an absolute crappy day of making money. But fortunately, we make other money in other places. Got shows tonight, got the YouTube revenue. I'm thinking about starting a new business. I'm thinking about going into the dash cam industry. So let me know in the comments down below. Would you guys buy a dash cam that I produce? I've already looked, and it's not that hard to buy bulk amount of dash cams. And if you do have a dash cam, also let me know in the comments down below, what are some necessary things? I posted this on Facebook, and most of the feedback was just make sure that they don't overheat, which I don't even know if that's possible to make sure it doesn't overheat. But I don't know. You would assume. Oh, Jesus! I just touched the windshield and it's super hot. Okay, so yeah, that's probably the first thing. Think about making dash cams though. Let me know if you guys would buy dash cams. I wanted to call it the Daily Dash, of course. But anyways, all right. Be right back as soon as we log in. All right, guys. I've been driving around for a really long time, and I have not gotten an order. This video is almost an hour long, and there's not been a single good order that came in. I just turned down a $10 for 7 miles order, but it went so far the opposite direction, so it would have been so many extra dead miles, so that's why I didn't do it. Anyway, so I don't want to make this video too long, because I do want to address some of DoorDash's problems about how they gave us an update, and the pay model didn't actually change. They kind of lied to us, so that's what this next video is about, and I've been seeing a lot of comments to kind of address it, so we're going to talk about that in the next video. I'm not sure which video is coming out first, but anyways, if you guys enjoy this video at all, sorry for the rambling, of course, but you are watching a Daily Dash. If you don't know, the Daily Dash is my rambling videos, basically. It is a Daily Dash, which is a vlog, and I don't know what the video is going to hold. We're just going out and doing whatever happens. We're just trying to get at least one DoorDash order. That is the whole point of the video. Unfortunately, we didn't get one today, and I'm not going to waste my time if it's been an hour and I don't get a single good order. So it is what it is. But if you guys see videos that don't say Daily Dash, it's probably way more to the point than the Daily Dashes, because I don't know, it has a specific title, and that's all I'm going to talk about. The Daily Dash, it is what it is. So if you don't want to watch those long videos, you don't need to tell me. I know the video is long. That's the point. Some people actually enjoy watching this video. So if you got to the end, please let me know in the comments down below. I got to the end. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you sign up for DoorDash using that affiliate link that I have down below. Peace, guys.